This box is so exciting. We've got such a stunning set of things in store inside this box. The first thing you'll see is the cube tote, which can fit a ton of stuff in. Then we've got the notebook, the coloring pages, the Calliograph, as well as the notepad, enamel bookmarks, washi tape, and some die cut stickers. All of these just work so beautifully together to make such a perfect palette, getting ready for you to use in a variety of different ways. I'm super excited to show you how we're going to use these today. I'm super excited to go through each and every single one with you as well. Let's get a little bit more into the nitty-gritty of what's inside your box. You've got a variety of really pretty things. I'm really excited about this notepad. It comes with 3 different colored papers, and it comes in a bright green, a dark green, and a really bright yellow with dots on it, and they are easy to tear out. The Calligraphs are gorgeous as well, and they come in these beautiful kind of jungly vibe colors. The next thing we have is the washi tape, and they come in different sizes and thicknesses, which is really fun and a little bit more dynamic. So we've got a really nice thick one, we've got the 2 thinner ones, and then we've got the standard size. The notebook itself is faux leather or vegan leather and has a beautiful Montserrat on the front. Once we open it up, I'll show you there's a special surprise on the inside, something we haven't done with notebooks before, and that's really cool. So as we open it up and pack all the little goodies away, I can't wait to show you that the inside is perforated. You can tear out the pages as you need, and every single page is perforated, not just some of them, but all of them, which is awesome. And that's a first that I'm really excited about. Next we have the colouring pages. Now, feedback we received was around that the previous colouring pages were too shiny and didn't take colours well. So we moved to a beautiful cardstock that is perfect for watercolour painting. It's nice and thick and sturdy, and they're going to go really well. And I'm going to use these beautiful cutouts today in the spread that I'm creating for my notebook. So I can't wait to show you what that's going to end up looking like. Super excited. Let's have a closer look at some of these stickers. They're a little shiny, so you want to use them sparingly because it's going to be a little bit of a challenge to write over them if you're using one of your normal pens, because they probably will smudge just a little bit. However, these being my favorite plants, the birds of paradise, oh, exciting. And then you've got these beautiful little leafies as well. So we are going to be using all of these goodies to be creating a lovely new page. The other thing that I want to use, because we're creative like that, oh, these are so cute as well. I'm going to be using this area over here. I'm going to be cutting this part out. And I'm also going to be cutting out some of these designs as well. And we're going to create a couple of different styles of those. So prepare this. I'm going to recycle, because that's what's great about these cardboard items, is they are fully recyclable. And I'm almost wondering, no, I definitely want to use this pink one versus this pink one. And then we've got this cute little card holder as well, if we want to use that in our notebooks for something as well. So I'm going to keep this because we might want to use it. And then we've got the really beautiful washi tape as well. Got these stickers. And then on top of that, I've also got some other stickers that I'd like to use, but we'll see how we go. I absolutely want to use some of the paper, so I'm going to be taking out a page of each of the colors. Oops, I should have taken out in the middle. And now some of the yellow. Perfect. And we are absolutely going to be using the Calligraphs. We're going to be using it as some watercolor, and we're going to be using this as well. So let me cut some of that out right now. first thing I'm going to start with, before we get into placing everything in our notebook, is I would like to paint using the Calliograph. Now I absolutely love this one because of the little jaguars, maybe little leopards. They look a little bit like a combination of jaguars and leopards. They're pretty dang cute. So we're going to paint those little guys. Okay. Now we'll just wait for this guy to dry. Now, on to what we're going to create today. We're creating a welcome page to the start of the month.